Hello students, hope you are going very well through the topics I explained in my last videos. Today I explain you last examples of exercise 5th 5.3 unit arithmetic progression. Here example number 14th is find the sum of first 1000 positive integer. First 1000 positive integers means what is the AP series here? 1, 2, 3, 4 goes up to 1000. What is the value of A here? Value of A in this series 1. D
A2 minus
A1 that is 2 minus 1 1. And what is this?
Sn.
This is not Sn. We have to find sum of n terms. Sum find करना है. This is the value of L. L means Tn. Nth term of the series is equal to 1000. Now S लास्ट टर्म है 1000 मतलब 1000 टर्म्स हैं टोटल यहाँ पे. एस 1000 वी हैव टू फाइंड अकॉर्डिंग टू लास्ट टर्म व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सम ऑफ n टर्म्स.
Sn is equal to
Sn इज इक्वल टू एक्चुअल फॉर्मूला क्या है सम ऑफ n टर्म्स का?
n by 2 into 2a.
n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But if L is given then formula is a plus
n minus
only L. A plus L. A value of L is Tn nth term of series that is a plus n minus 1 into d. तो इस तरह से ये हुआ था a plus a 2a 2a plus n minus 1 into d एक्चुअल टर्म थी. और यहाँ पे अपने पास अगर L गिवन है तो वी हैव टू एडजस्ट हियर दिस फॉर्मूला ओनली a plus L. Now what is the value of n? Number of terms is according to S term Sn. What is the value of n here? 1000 by 2a
500.
value of a 1 plus L
1000.
its value is 500 into 1001 that is 500 into 1000 plus 500 into 1 that is 5 lakh plus 500 500 it is the answer of this question. Now if we have to find sum of first n positive integer, first n positive integers का मतलब AP series 1 2 3 4 5 goes up to n. Last term अपने पास क्या given है n. Then what is the value of a 1 d 2 minus 1 that is 1 and L is equal to n. Then sum of n terms
n by 2 into a
plus L. N is the value of n by 2 a 1 plus L n. This is the answer of this question. Now 15th example is find the sum of first 24 terms of list of numbers whose nth term is given by this one. हमें nth term मतलब कि an given है या tn given है. यहाँ पे an लिखा तो an ही डिनोट करना पड़ेगा. 3 plus 2n. We can find arithmetic progression या arithmetic series according to this term. Clear? That means a1 value of a हो गई. a1 means put the value of n as 1 that is 3 plus 2 into 1 that is 3 plus 2 5. Now a2 a3 a4 चार पांच टर्म फाइंड कर लो उसके बाद सीरीज एडजस्ट कर दो. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a2? 3 plus we have to replace n every time means in place of n 1 in place of n 2 in place of n 3 ऐसे करना है. 2 into
2
is equal to 3 plus 4 that is 7 a3. दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. इस टाइप से जो क्वेश्चन होगा वो आपने अच्छे से करना है. व्हाट इज a3?
3 plus 3 into 3 2 into
3 plus 2 into 3 that is 3 plus 6 that is 9 a4
3 plus 2 into 4
that is 3 plus 8 that is 11. So arithmetic series is equal to 5, 7, 9 goes up to unlimited terms, and we have to find whose n term is given by this. Find sum of first 24 terms, means के S24 हमें find करना है. What is the formula of sum of 24 terms?
n by 2
n by 2 into, we have now a and d, l given नहीं है, तो we can find here according to 2a plus
n minus 1
into d, that is, what is the value of n?
24
by 2. 2 into 5. I adjust the values directly. A और D की लिखी नहीं है, आप लोग लिख सकते हो अगर लिखनी हो सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए. प्लस n, value of n is here. This is the value of n.
24
24 minus 1 into D.
2
12 into 10 plus 23 into 2, that is 12 into 10 plus 25, that is 12 into 35. 12 5s are 66. 36 and 6 42. Check the answer. 672. Just a minute, we have to check it. Sorry, we have to multiply these terms. By mistake I add these terms. 46 plus this one is 56. 56 12 into 6 हो गया 9. 72 7 67. 672 is the answer of this question. Now last example of this exercise is example number 16th. Manufacturer of TV sets produces 600 sets in third year. Third year means T3 यहाँ third term given है हमें, and 700 sets in seventh year, और T7 given है हमें. Assuming the production increasing uniformly, uniformly means equally increase हो रही है by a fixed number every year, हर साल equally increase हो रही है. Find the production in first year. First year means value of A find करनी है. Production in 10th year means T10 फाइंड करना है, एंड टोटल प्रोडक्शन इन फर्स्ट 7 years. ये कैसे, मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, फोर्थ ईयर, फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ एंड सेवन्थ का टोटल क्या आएगा? सम ऑफ 7 terms. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन हियर. हियर वी आर गिवन A3 600, that means A plus n minus 1 into D. 600, that is A plus 3 minus 1 into D. 600, that is A plus 2D is equal to 600. This is equation number 1. Now we are given 7th term is 700. What is the value of this term? 7th term जैसे A3 को मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है, अकॉर्डिंग टू इट एडजस्ट 7th term. Formula of nth term, A plus n minus 1 means 7 minus 1, that is 700. It means A plus 7 minus 1, 6D is equal to 700. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 एलिमिनेशन मेथड यूज करके हम A और D की वैल्यूज फाइंड कर सकते हैं. A plus 2D is equal to 600. A plus 6D is equal to 700. We can change directly the signs. अगर सेम ना होती टर्म्स कोई तो मल्टीप्लाई करके then we have to change the signs. Its value is 4D is equal to minus 100. Minus cancel and D is equal to 25. Value of D replace in first. A plus 2 into 25 is equal to 600. That means value of A is 600 minus 50, that is 550. This is a part first, production in first year. Clear? So production in first year is equal to 550 TV sets. Now we have to find production in 10th year. Production in 10th year means T10 या A10, एक ही बात है. What is the formula of 10th term? a प्लस
n minus 1 into
n-1 इंटू डी। अगर टर्म के अकॉर्डिंग आप कंफ्यूजिंग हो रहे हो तो यहाँ पे t ले सकते हो, नो नीड टू एडजस्ट हेयर a कहीं a और कहीं t। तो 10th टर्म को आप t के अकॉर्डिंग ही एडजस्ट करो, दैट इज़ बेटर फॉर यू। वैल्यू ऑफ a इज हेयर 550, 10 minus 1 into d is here 25, 550 plus 9 into 25, 550 plus 225, sorry 577. Production in 10th year 775, clear? 775 TV sets. This is production in 10th ईयर, मतलब ये सिर्फ 10th ईयर की प्रोडक्शन है। और अगर हमें 1 से लेकर 10 तक की सारी फाइंड करनी हो टोटल, तो दैट इज सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स, इस बात का ध्यान रखना है। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड थर्ड पार्ट, दिस इज द सेकेंड पार्ट, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट। टोटल प्रोडक्शन इन फर्स्ट 7 ईयर्स, मतलब S7, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ S7? 7/2 डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, 2a plus n-1 into d, that is 7/2 1100 plus 6 into 25, 7/2 into 1100 plus 150, 7/2 into 1250, 7 into 625, 35, 3, 17, 1, 4375 TV sets. According to it, you have to solve the questions of exercise. Till then, thank you.